Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi and in this video we will discuss an Olympiad maths question. So let's start with today's video. So in this question we have to find the value of x and y when the expression x over y plus y over x equal x plus y. So here one important thing is that x and y is a positive integer. So they can't be equal to 0 or negative. So start with the question. Our first step is to take the LCM. So y and x is, we can write it as x, y, and here above x, and here y is already there, so x square. And here x, you can write it as y square equal x plus y. Now we are doing the cross multiplication. So here x square plus y square is equals to xy multiply x plus y. So x square plus y square is equals to x square y plus xy square. So we'll take all the terms together. So we'll take x square plus y square to the other side. So here x square plus y square plus xy square minus x square minus y square. So from the first term and the third term, I'll take x square as common. So what is left? Y minus 1. And from the second and the fourth term, I'll take y square common. So what is left? X minus 1 equals to 0. Now, we already know that x and y is our positive integer. So x square and y square cannot be equals to 0. So we can't put the whole equation equals to 0. Otherwise, our expression will get wrong. So we'll take y minus 1 and x minus 1 only equals to 0. So if y minus 1 equals 0, then the value of y is 1. And if x minus 1 equals 0, the value of x is 1. So for this expression, the value of x is 1 and y is also 1. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.